Welcome to another educational, entertaining and funny episode on Caught on DashCam. In today's episode again we prepared the fresh and amazing content of bad drivers on the road, so watch carefully and learn from their mistakes. Important to notice is that we do not condone any violence and also nobody is injured in our videos. Enjoy.
Look at this dickhead. He's gonna cut over. Oh, he didn't. He's turning left. He did all that for a left turn. What a... stupid mother... saw me coming and ran right in front of me anyway. How about you? You gonna pull in front of me and let me have my right of way? God damn, that car earlier. Son of a... I don't want these... How do you think you have a... There's no stop sign for you? That's two in a row that almost killed me. Same street. Oh, wait till we get a green light to go, you asshole. You had it. How the f do you have the right of way, you stupid... Jesus Christ.
setting us up for the raid right now. I'm doing the sparrow run.
You're doing the what? Those little sparrow runs?
I'm doing the sparrow runs with all 3 characters. Headed getting home later than I thought, so.
Uh-oh. Road raging. They road raging. They road raging in front of me, dude.
Oh shit, what's going down?
A Lexus and a Cadillac.
Yeah, dude, someone posted a video the other day where this Camaro was slamming into this guy's Ford truck, man. They were slamming all into each other. Guy had his door all hanging open and shit. I'm like, y'all motherfuckers are crazy.
Oh, they fucking driving like idiots, dude.
Yeah. So I did every single thing I could pretty much do on my Titan, man. So I'm just going to do these sparrow runs.
It's way overused, but if it means anything, I would think using intimidation tactics to stop someone from speaking. If fascism means anything these days, then that certainly has to qualify. So I would call that fascism. You're literally, in this case, it was like you're in the crowd trying to drown out her voice by screaming at her.
Western Michigan.
Not that expensive. You can work and not go 50K in debt.
Yeah, the problem with that is I don't really have time to have a full-time job at the moment. I do work on the weekends.
Here we go. Asshole.
Whoa. Honey, I can't. Holy shit. Okay. Jesus Christ, man. Hold on, we're going back up. Jesus.
Let's see, heavier traffic. Oh, Loop 101, Outr freeway.
Oh, yeah, that's not going to affect us at all. That's over on the other side of fucking town.
I read it and I'm like, I don't know where the State Farm Stadium is. And then it said freeway traffic toward Glendale. I'm like, well, Phoenix is toward... No!
We're okay. We're okay. Stop. Just stop.